factories across Clark, Angeles, and Mabalacat. All here to help open doors for many aspiring job seekers. To all job seekers, I encourage you to take the full advantage of this opportunity, connect with employers, showcase your skills, and explore the many possibilities that await you. Once again, thank you for being here. Let's make this job fair a success. Welcome and best luck to everyone. Thank you.
First of all, congratulations to SIAC for a wonderful and successful event. And of course, thank you for having Cloud staff join 2025 Job Fair for SIAC. Thank you.
On behalf of SIA Engineering Philippines Corporation, we would like to thank SIAC for organizing this event. It's a very great initiative, not only for us locators, but also for our constituents in Clark, Pampanga, and other candidates outside the Pampanga.
SIAC, thank you so much for inviting us, at lalo na sa pag-organize ninyo ng ganitong job fair. It's a big help talaga sa amin na locator ninyo na at least hindi na kami pa mahihirapan pang mag-outsource outside. Nandito na lahat yung mga possible applicants na pwede namin ma-invite and then somehow is mag-join sa organizations namin. So again, thank you so much and God bless. More job fair to come pa. Thank you.
Thank you CIAC for giving us opportunity para sa aming mga job seeker to find jobs na pwede namin ma-applyan.
Thank you, SIAC!
Thank you, SIAC!
Thank you, SIAC!